Well, it's nighttime, but we did get a new driveway, so that's pretty sweet. Alexa, what are we doing?
We are installing my new clutch lever and my Roam Copilot for my phone.
What is going on, everybody? We are back at the home garage, and we are going to be fixing up Alexa's bike as promised. This clutch lever was bent from the previous owner when we bought it. We bought a $6 clutch lever, and we are going to fix that. So let's get right into it. So it's pretty simple. You just have a flathead screwdriver on the top side, and then right back there is a
Somewhere. Here.
nut that we will take off, and then we can remove the lever. All right, so we got our trusty DeWalt tool set, which I was actually super excited to get. It's all blacked out and everything, but our screwdriver head attachments, like every other one, has gotten super rusty, which is kind of disappointing, so we will check in on that. But other than that, we've been super happy with them. So the back bolt is a 10 millimeter, and so we'll get a ratchet, and then we also have a flathead screwdriver. All right, so on this back side, you can see where the wire goes in. You just want to get that out right to that edge, and then you just turn it to release it.
Just to show how bent it was, this is what it's supposed to look like, and this is what it looked like. So
And that was with only 4 miles on the bike?
4 miles on the bike. She dropped it on the left side and on the right side. So just some like damage here on the muffler, but
All right, let's toss it on.
okay. Pull this back out again, and you can see now on the back of that clutch lever, you just place it into that. But it's gonna be kind of tricky.
All right, so the next mod, I guess you could call it, that we're gonna do is removing this muffler. And you just have a 12 millimeter bolt here and then 2 Allen keys there. So we're gonna have her take this off. Main reason being is when she's riding with the other bikes, she is unable to hear when she's shifting or needs to shift because we kind of drowned her out. So
They have Harleys.
yeah, so for her to feel a little bit more comfortable and be able to hear her bike, I think that's important when riding. She's gonna remove this, and we're gonna see the change in sound and everything, and I don't believe that she'll lose much back pressure or feel any difference as far as performance. That'll negatively affect her ride. So we're gonna pull this off, and we'll go from there. All right, so those are on super tight, but we did break them loose. So we're just going to go ahead and remove those, and we should be able to slide this whole thing off in one piece.
I think it's gonna be a little misleading because we're in the garage, but we'll see what happens. Oh, that clutch is funny. Oh, that is excessive.
I don't know. I think it sounds good.
I mean, it sounds good. It's just I'm used to like.
All right, let's figure out your phone mount and we can wrap this thing up for the night.
Okay. So this is just the Roam Copilot. It's on Amazon right now for like $17, and it has 4.5 stars and over 8,000 reviews. So I figured, why not give it a try? I actually got this for myself and my friend, and she's already put it on her bike, and there were a couple of pointers that she gave me. So one, don't put it here, because since this brake fluid box is here, if you put it too close, or you can't get it close enough, but if you put it too close here and you turn, your phone's gonna hit your tank, and you don't want that to happen. So, oops, dropping the parts. So she suggested to put it right here, and to not pinch the cables, just put it right in between this part here. So this is how it comes. It's basically completely intact, and then it comes with 2 other rubber things. I guess if you have a bigger phone, you can use it, but looks like you just have to unscrew this, pull this down a little bit till you can get it to fit over your handlebars. And then on this back side here, there's 3 little notches, so you obviously want to get it as tight as you can. So I might try and go one more. I think that's all I can do. I can only go onto the first notch. And then you just have to tighten it. It's upside down, I don't know.
Damn, who are those people? There you go.
Done.
All right, well, we're super pumped on these first little mods for her. So far, she's been super happy with this bike. All right, well, that's gonna wrap up our video for tonight. Thanks for checking it out. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.